Yeah. So
Yep.
well, we did a bit of fishing and it didn't go too well, did it, Jeffrey?
We tried to fish. We didn't catch anything. We started up down that way with some bait and some burley, but not much luck. We checked down the end, but the surf was too strong to go spearfishing, so we came back here and did some snorkeling instead. We saw a couple of nice mangrove jacks, so come back and we chucked the lures in, but no luck there either.
Yeah, no luck. Yeah, so as Jeffrey said, we did all that. We also went and did a bit of snorkeling. I'll probably roll a few clips of that on now, and we're gonna go head out and have some lunch somewhere. I hope you guys enjoyed that montage, that little swimming montage back there. Yeah, what's next, Jeffrey?
So no luck at the seaway, so we're gonna head up to Mount Tambourine, have some lunch, maybe go for a little bit of walk and a swim in some fresh water this time. All right, Jason, where are we?
All right, Jeffrey, we're at Cedar Creek Falls and we're going for a little swim down here. Should be cool.
Nice refreshing swim in some fresh water after the snorkeling at the Gold Coast Seaway.
Yeah, not bad.